Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
If you don't trade Forex, you will die poor.
After Moncho successfully made 93,000 from trading, he decides to say goodbye to his old life. He decides to say goodbye to poverty. Moncho is going to his future. He arrives at FBK Estate to meet a gentleman. The gentleman has luxury cars, beautiful house. As he's walking towards the house, he's entering into the mansion, and voila! It's a dream come true indeed. As he waits to meet the owner, now the owner comes. His name is Abashwe, Mr. AKA Rentals. Abashwe owns luxury properties and cars. He rents these things out to Forex traders. But Moncho is curious and he asks him one question, which is,
How did you achieve all this? I want to be like you.
That's all right, little partner, just sign right here.
Moncho, my man, we've got a deal.
Moncho managed to rent his first car from Abashwe Car Rentals. Oh my God, he's about to enter inside. Let's share the excitement with Moncho. And he listens to his favorite song, which inspired him to start trading. Yo. Moncho thought trading is a get-quick-rich scheme. He's running on a loss. He's going through loss and he has lost money. Now he's crying. Why? Because he thought trading is a get-quick-rich scheme. Indeed, you must run after knowledge, then money will follow you like it's following some of us. Here's your friend, Moncho. Osaye Mejing, pula account with FBK Markets.